In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Meta AI on Instagram. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now go to your messages. So just tap in the message icon here and select a message where you want to use the Meta AI. So to call the Meta AI bot, you just want to type in here at Meta AI. Now, if you tap on send, now the bot will now pop up just like ChatGPT or other bots that can help you in messaging. Now, if this method or this feature doesn't show up for you, what you can do is to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So you want to go to your Play Store or to your App Store and search for Instagram. Now from here, tap on Instagram and make sure that there is no update button right here. If there is, you might want to update it to the latest version. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.